AI systems are starting to do something more consequential than produce plausible text. They are organizing scientific work, planning searches, reasoning across incompatible data types, and connecting human mathematics to machine-checkable proofs. The bottleneck is shifting from model fluency to reliable structure, editable workflows, constrained outputs, and dependency graphs that let systems retrieve evidence, test claims, and act on feedback. Across this week's research, these approaches rival much larger models, including GPT-5, 4, and Gemini. The key question is what this emerging infrastructure can and still cannot automate. Let's explore the first paper, Multi-Turn Agentic Scientific Literature Search via Workflow Induction. Researchers from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, Together AI, the University of Pennsylvania, and Stanford introduced Paper Pilot, a multi-turn scientific literature search agent that treats retrieval as workflow induction rather than fixed query matching. Given an anchor paper and an evolving request, the agent builds an executable, type-consistent DAG from operators for keyword search, citation expansion, filtering, scoring, re-ranking, and evidence extraction, then edits that DAG in response to clarification feedback. Training combines supervised workflow imitation with IPO-style DPO preference optimization using 2,723 anchor query cases, 5,540 workflow supervision examples, and 1,733 hard chosen rejected pairs created by corrupting valid workflows. On a benchmark spanning 5 search directions, Paper Pilot 9B improves the multi-turn Quen 3, 59B toolset baseline from 58 to 77. Hit at 5 from 47.5 to 59.4 MRR and from 26.8 to 32.5 NDCG at 10, while reducing workflow execution errors from 9.5% to 0%. It also reaches 74.7% human session success and a 4.2 out of 5 question satisfaction score. The system is competitive with much larger models. GPT-5.4 with the Paper Pilot toolset achieves 84, hit at 5, while OpenAI Deep Research is evaluated as a one-shot baseline. The central result is that explicit, editable workflows translate user feedback into concrete retrieval operations, improving controllability, ranking quality, and interaction alignment. Let's explore the second paper, S1 Omni A Unified Multimodal Reasoning Model for Scientific Understanding, Prediction, and Generation. S1 Omni, developed by Science1 AI and Wenge AI, targets the fragmentation of AI for science by combining multimodal understanding, evidence-grounded reasoning, and domain-native prediction or generation in one system. Built on the S1V L32B backbone, it represents text, SIF crystal files, SMILES, protein sequences, spectra, and scientific images in a shared task context, while specialized decoders preserve scalar, residue level, molecular, geometric, and visual output constraints. Its S1 Omni corpus contains more than 8 million records across 200 scientific tasks, with reasoning supervision structured around scientific laws, expert evidence, validation rules, and output protocols. Across 66 aggregate tasks, S1 Omni achieves win rates of 95.5% against GPT-5, 5, and 83.3% against Gemini 3. 1 Pro, outperforming general-purpose models while remaining competitive with specialists such as AlphaFold 3, ESM3, and Diff Spectra. In spectrum-to-molecule generation on QM9S, it reaches 0.4569 ACC at 1 versus 0.4056 for Diff Spectra. Its protein site decoder reaches 0.666 AUPR on MP-bind, and its scientific image editor achieves 47.87 decibels PSNR on SynthRad 2025. Ablations show that structured, property-constrained reasoning is substantially more useful than unconstrained chain of thought, reducing material MAE to 17.255 from 34.818. The authors emphasize that the model is an intermediate unified architecture. Its backbone is shared, but molecular, protein coordinate, and image outputs still rely on specialized decoders, and substantial gaps remain on tasks requiring explicit three-dimensional or domain-specific priors. Let's explore the third paper, Theorem Graph Bridging formal, and informal mathematics. Theorem Graph from the University of Washington Math AI Lab introduces a statement-level dependency graph that connects informal mathematical literature with formal lean proofs. Its informal pipeline parses 11, 7 M-theorem-like statements from mathematics RxIve and recovers 18, 3M-directed dependencies, while Lean Graph extracts 388,105 declaration nodes and 11 3M-typed edges across 25 Lean projects. To bridge the two ecosystems, the authors generate natural language slogans with Qwen 3235B A22B Instruct 2507, embed them using Qwen 3 embedding 8B, and retrieve cross-formality nearest neighbors through an HNSW index. GPT-5. 4 judges, 47,952 candidate formal-informal matches above cosine similarity, 0.8. With acceptance reaching 87% for candidates scoring at least 0.9. DeepSeek V4 Pro is reported as a more permissive comparison. Graph expansion and name and signature representations improve MATLAB QR FAIR, 810. Recall at 10 to 0.775, within 0.5 percentage points of LeanSearch V2's 0.78 re-rank score without an LM re-ranker. In retrieval augmented autoformalization, Claude Sonnet 4-6 improves evaluated correctness from 5/24 without retrieval to 8/24 with retrieved premises, while using 14K output tokens and 68 tool calls. Additional experiments show citation graph expansion raises Qwen 3.8b premise retrieval recall from 7.9% to 13.4%, though Gemini 3.1 Pro, GPT-5.5, ChatGPT 5.4, and Claude models remain important comparison points. The release dataset, extractors, HTTP API, and MCP interface target mathematical search, attribution, and retrieval augmented theorem proving. That's a wrap on today's AI paper highlights. Thanks for watching.